Hey folks, it's the last day in April 2023, so looking forward to a good summer of growing, but before we get to that, we need to finish weeding the raised beds here. It's a mess still, just a lot of work. I just need to pace myself. So what I'm also doing is I'm putting down some woven fabric. This is the first time I'm trying that. Before I used cardboard and wood chips, and that didn't really do me much good as far as keeping the grass and weeds from invading the spaces where I have to walk. So let me just show you what I've gotten so far and kind of the challenge I have, and hopefully I can get a lot done today. Okay, here is the mess that I'm trying to clean up. As you can see, I put down the woven weed fabric, and with staples, I'm still going to have to do some weeding. By the way, look at these onions from last year. Wow. All right, so I've got that bed, that far bed over there that has a lot of weeds in it. I've done some weeding in here, and then that whole section right there, including the walkways. You can see the walkways are pretty overgrown, but I was able to get this done last weekend. I also was able to get 40 containers of potatoes planted, so that's good. A little late, but better late than never. So yeah, I need to weed that whole section. These little yellow flowers are just everywhere, and that was the tomato bed. And it is completely taken over, so I gotta do a lot of work there. All right, and I received a really nice big pile, about 10 cubic yards of dairy cow manure compost. So big pile of compost that I can fill the beds up with. So I think we're set as far as that goes. So yeah, let me get to work and I'll keep you posted. Okay, went ahead and weeded as much as I could. This bed here looks a lot better. What I'll do now is I'll go ahead and fill up the beds with the tractor as much as I can. I can't get into these beds in the inner side because I can't get to them with the tractor, so I'll have to do that by hand. But at least I can get the outer 5 done. And I also weeded this second row here. All right, looks like we have a potato coming up. There we go. There he is. Nice. Just planted those not too long ago. All right, I'll go ahead and start using my bucket and filling up those beds. Okay folks, looks like it's gonna be raining here again. It's been raining on and off, and I hear thunder. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day, and I'll fill the beds up later. So stay tuned. Okay, this is another day. I finished the woven weed fabric around there, and I think I'm going to just do a dump load into each bed. I may put more. We'll see how long it lasts. Still got a lot over there. I'm also filling the IBC tote with water, and that's coming from the well up into the IBC tote. I think that does it for this evening. The sun's going down. It's a pretty evening, beautiful. I went ahead and just planted some onion sets all the way around, and then in the middle I'll plant something else. But these are all red onions in here all the way around, and those are yellow onions in there. So yeah, I got a lot done today. Hopefully this weed fabric is going to help. It looks like it's working well. This is after about a month, so no weeds are coming up except for on the sides, which I can easily pull. So good. Hey everybody, yeah, battery died, so yeah, I'm headed home. This will be it for this evening. It's a Monday evening after work, and just trying to get some things done in here. Filled up the IBC tote and planted some onion sets, put down some weed fabric, and filled 5 of the beds. So that's good work. I've got a lot of seeds started. Also, I've had some thieves in my seed starting area. So just like last year, I had 2 thieves. So I'll post a picture here of one of the thieves, and hopefully that's it for them, but I have some surprises for any future ones. All right, that's it. The early May starting of the garden. Hey folks, I've been off all week so far. It's let's see, it's Thursday, last week in May, and I've been off all week and just getting some things done here. Just wanted to show you some of the updates on the garden real quick. So I'm hardening off a couple of these plants. These are squash right here. And then I have mostly San Marzano tomatoes. Got another squash here, another squash there. But yeah, just have these seedlings. Took them out of the under the lights, and now they're under the sun. So they're doing really well. Some of them are smaller than others, but they're doing still well. I'm keeping them hydrated, and I'll take you into the garage and show you what's left of the seeds. All right, here we are in the garage. I wanted to bring you up to date on my assembly table. Right now it's just full of stuff, but as you can see, these little cubbies, it's the Polk style, so it makes for really good tool storage. So I made these 10 inches from top to bottom, and then this I think is about 6 inches, but it goes all the way around. As you can see, I'm heavy into the seeds, and it goes around the other side. Right now, this is my workstation for sowing seeds. I did use the floating, this is a floating styrofoam seed cell, and you can see I have a ton of plants down there, all kinds. So looks like they're doing really well. I still have some more tomatoes left to come up, and then peppers are taking their time. I do have some onions I just planted in this one, and then again more peppers, some zucchini, some more tomatoes and peppers, and then some beets I just started from seed. Got more peppers. And looks like I need to get some more sweet potatoes to start to get some slips, because these sweet potatoes aren't doing really well. So yeah, that's what we have so far. Got a little late start, but better late than never, right? So let's go up on the pasture and I'll show you up there a little bit. It's beautiful. It's overcast. It's supposed to rain over the next few days, which is fine. But I thought I would film a little bit of our woods here in their full glory here at the end of May 2023. Now another update here from a family perspective. We just visited my daughter and her husband. They're about an hour and a half or so away. Not too bad. And my daughter is about, any minute now gonna be ready to deliver her first child, our first grandchild. And we know it's a boy, and we don't know the name yet. They're keeping that a secret. But that's fine. No big deal there. Really looking forward to meeting our new grandson. So let's see here. This weed fabric is fantastic. You see how well it's doing? I still need to be able to get rid of this on the sides, but that's fine. These beds here still need to be filled up with compost, but I have these onion sets are really taken off, and I also have some lettuce planted in there, and still a lot of weed seeds. You can see it's weed seeds, but the onions are doing well. I need some rain. And I planted a bunch of beets all along here, so we'll see if they come up okay. The biggest success story here are the potatoes. I went through and I weeded a bunch of those. So it looks like they're doing pretty good. Looks like I need to do some more weeding. But potatoes are doing well. All right, I think that's it for an update, and still a lot of work to do. A lot more plants to plant, and my biggest plan is to make pizza sauce with the San Marzano tomatoes, as well as make some salsa, which was fantastic last year. That recipe was really successful across the family. So, signing off.